Hello, and well, we're back to part 2. And first, we're going to put in these sausages. There we go. Ooh, gosh. Almost. Well, these things won't come out. There. Have to do 2 at a time now. Come on. Okay. Now, I'm going to dump all these tomatoes, cut up, or diced tomatoes, in. Okay, that was big. And the garlic. About this big, just 2 spoons. There. Okay. And then I'm going to put some chili powder, 1 teaspoon. Full. Come on out. Okay. Ooh. Okay. 1 more. Wait. Never mind.
That was our supervisor.
And then 1. That smells good. Just let this squeeze in there. Come on. All right. Are you coming out? Man, this thing was hard. This thing is so small and come on. Come on, get out. There. I'm just and then another one. There. Now, time for the onions. Yeah, the glob of them. Makes me want to cry. Now, it's just time to stir it up. Yeah, just stir it. And this cooks for just about 45 more minutes, so there we are. See you.